model. They're going to be game changers for us. We're going to bring the quality and innovation as a revolver rifle to capture more of the market. So we're going to have some guns that 8 or 9 million. So it's going to be amazing. It's going to change our world. So it's worth going by and just looking at it.
And no change in quality or anything like that?
Oh, no. They'll all still be made right there in Gunnison, right?
I didn't have the heart to tell him.
That's okay.
It's so quiet
is.
that you can barely even tell, like, whenever it's going off.
Absolutely.
It's really fun with that suppressor.
Yeah, it is a fun package for sure. And these are going to run about $1,200 retail. So, oh man, another toy for the toy box.